Hey, guy.
Why you happy like that?
You don't understand. Guy, God don't show me blessing.
Yeah.
No.
Which God?
God don't show me love.
Ah.
And they tell you the truth, don't be whining.
Where is that pray?
Sir, you don't understand. See, God don't show me my girlfriend. I don't see my woman.
God.
You don't know why.
I say, they create you on Saturday. You see this girl on Monday, where we say go get strength, you just mow down. If you see this girl, they get package, everything there. Guy,
So be green or blue?
which kind of color be that one?
Human being they get that kind of.
You remember you asked me that first question. So when I get my woman.
So
right?
They reply me with that.
Yeah.
Guy, you don't go. See, this guy now, one yellow girl. You know yellow too much. You just everything. If you see this side,
One more.
everything package. I
So
swear.
she's like shawarma.
Guy, this one pass shawarma. Hey, this guy gave me pass shawarma.
God.
Guy.
On your day, you see that your day. The guy, I go surprise you with the guy. You go see him.
Charlie, by my woman is neither your woman.
You tell me say your own girlfriend, you fat now. My own, I tell you portable. Everything about her is portable. I swear.
Hey. God Almighty. God Almighty.
That one they try, you don't show me love.
But I'm happy for you, bro.
Guy.
I'm happy.
The kind enjoyment we dey for my wedding now. Anytime while they sleep, I dey remember this guy. If I dey anything what they do now, this guy dey in my mind.
God.
Since when I be that
It's
girl?
always that time.
Hi, I never do that one now. After your day now, everything goes start.
After my day.
Yes.
Why I don't start before my day?
No.
Gradually now, you suppose know. And you know how to do all these girls they do their shakara now. So you need to calm down. Small, enter there.
I'm happy, bro. So let's go and share small, bro.
Good afternoon.
After.
I'm looking for Airline.
Who are you looking for, Aaron?
I'm his friend. I'm looking for Airline. Where is he? Is she around?
No, she's not around.
Oh. Why? I wanted to take her out today. I promised to take her out today. I want to take her to the shopping mall. What's going on?
She's not around. Call her now.
I've been calling her number, but her number is. That's why I'm here. I've been calling her number. Her number is not going. But it's supposed to be around. Why are you saying she's not around?
Oga, I can take you inside to go and check. I say she's not around, but you're not understanding.
Hey, I wanted to take her out. Buy something for her. Make her feel like a woman. What's going on?
Okay, if she's not around, then take me to the shopping so that you can shop for me. Then we go to the birthday party.
I should take you shopping. Like small girl like you.
Yeah. Who you dey call small girl? Me. Hey, go.
Jesus.
They call me small girl. Go.
Ma, go.
Go.
Hey.
Go.
Baba.
Imagine.
Baba.
Sharp. What did they do for you? I think you meet me there.
Guy, I no enjoy. Guy, now, my girl now. I go their house now, I carry am make she come here, move go there our this. I did there now, the girl no dey. I dey see, I don call this number almost 50 times. The number no dey go. I wahala be this one.
What's with that one?
Na guy.
No. I don't understand. So you go see house, right?
I go their house. Oh. Now in little sister herself tell me say she know they. I try the number, the number no they go. Even her little sister say I try, the thing no they go.
I tell you. Because you have to knock a girl before you. You and Kasano, I don't know what is wrong with you. You have to chop the woman before you. God. Oh, you see that?
You see that? Go. Dress now, move they go. Dress, move, go.
So you are not.
Ma just drink, forget my soul.
More ladies come to my birthday, so last. When they come, you have your one. Don't worry, okay?
I like that girl.
You love. Shut up, my friend. You love one.
Too fast, move they go.
They gave you your phone, so you still. Cool. I'll come and so. Baby. Yeah, bro.
Baba do move they go.
So, you have to go. So that's my baby. Charlie, my baby. What if they shock you?
Don't understand.
Which is the right one?
You say
They shock you. Baby, what's up?
You say this now your babe.
Why you guys feel like? No, I don't understand you. What is going on?
This now my woman now. Wetin dey sup? They tell me say you are just.
Hey. Baby. Why you going?
Angel, come. This guy. Wetin dey happen here now, guy?
No, me cry. I'm not understanding.
Now you dey ask wetin dey happen.
Hey.
Na my woman na.
Today my baby don't do that.
Wahala
Don't do
with
this. What's with that one?
You don chop am?
Right? No. I'm not understanding.
You don chop the girl?
No, man, Tessie, what's going on?
Chop am. You don chop am?
Tell my baby your baby.
You don chop am?
I chop your 5 years.
You don chop am 5 years? Hey. Everything don finish now. You don chop everything finish.
No, why my baby your baby?
Why you go collect with the thing wey dey give me joy? You dey chop am? You no tell me. Hey, I feel like crying for you. Wetin dey happen? I dey tell you there's something. You dey tell me say no be. Hey, na my girl.
Why my girl your girl?
Na here I wonder. Papa, wetin dey sup now?
What's your son like what?
How you
Why my baby your baby?
How you manage to get am?
Hello. Medoba. Dey asam. Na dey na si a wusu. Dey asam.
Mama nyame no nya na tia no mo na o.
Dabi no ye de o ma makoma kra. Sa me no nyina na tia, sa o tie obi anya o fi wunsu. Ono nso wo su. So obi abo na won kan.
Elom de na ye o.
O da makoma so o hia bibi aka.
Na bi sure ni na abeyo mommy.
Dey na usuro.
Ade usuro.
Ye, dey edom.
Elom ka sai. Jesu na ka sai ye wono wo anka. Be se na hu de
Kasa.
But what is really for wanting a buyer?
Kasa. O ya sa na o tete me o da makoma so dey asam. Dey.
Okwamwa. From seven bar of China down. Emily. Go do what?
Kasa.
Kasai. Yes, kasa mi. Sakina mi sadeti no. Misani mi deti. No so. That for bad. Yes.
Hey. Jesus.
Enti se si e no. Omi anu nyina anu se wo mu deti. Ana wo deti omi. Hey. Sami kan yo.
Yeah.
Na wo na mu se wo de usoro na bebem.
I don't fetch me where they am informo so. Informo so where they ma dia to my am informo so.
Enya shi. Why?
Hey, where they enya me na fetch me. Na me ya baba wa no. Ekwa ya me ma de me fa so. Ebu pu makoma. Me kwa kata so amintimi na aduane simani mu kura mintimi mbi adwendwen na me yese pasa enti na me pesa me bai be komu bi enti na me tu ne fo se on fa mema mienu ana edu ekodu no on sesa won mo moso na bi firi mu ana wera ho minim se be kwa kofa ne nguase we yaba
enti ma me futu ya wo de man me ekusi ni se
na minim se be yese ye adunya me facha me bo fa facha me mesra me pacho me ni bi don facha me eni asia wi awofo adofo ni adofo fi afotu amede ma me ba ye dom fi ani nguase akofa aba fi ani nguase ka se akofa aba munyina ni asi obi amfanya fotu sam titru abatan na ankofa ohaw amre mumma ankofa ohaw amre busua efisa ehwini nya na ani anya enti abatan mumma mo ne mre na we mi tu ne fo wo Kristo mu a e ka me be ya nkwa ne nguase mu se mi tu ne fo wo Kristo mu a e ka ankofa ohaw ma obi ani wa ode na ni ene na akoma ene na adwen ato Kristo so a nanim agu aseda na ya me penti me pese bi beto me ba no e ko kan ya ne hwe man fa Kristo kwan ti ne gu ase akofa ba obi anya futusam abata no amutu mo mafo ena we afa mpona odisika ba fie na ode osori adabia ye toma odie no munja eka obi antu ne bafo wo Kristo obi antu ne bafo ewo Kristo mo Kristo obi anfa ne ba nwura Kristo mo na sa odo ba ewura Kristo mu a adom nyame nso enyina ne mfiri oso bofo pa enyina ne mfiri oso da obema wadi obema wanya no nyam o hyebre no ana atete apro no obema na ye mo no